By the end of this video, you will know how to view test mode payment details in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before opening any payment record, make sure test mode is enabled. This matters because Stripe separates live activity from test activity, and the payment details you are looking for will only appear in the test environment when that mode is turned on. If you are not seeing the expected transactions, this is the first place to check. Once test mode is on, go to the Transactions area in the dashboard. From there, select the Payments tab. This page shows your payment activity, and with test mode enabled, the list will reflect test payments instead of live ones. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct tab before opening a payment, since transactions can include other record types as well. Next, click the test payment you want to inspect. This opens the full payment record. Stripe will display a detailed view for that transaction, with the most important information near the top and more supporting information farther down the page. In the Payment Summary section, review the payment amount and the current status. You can also check the recent activity tied to that payment and the payment breakdown. This gives you a quick overview of what happened with the transaction and where it currently stands in the payment flow. After that, move through the Payment Details section. Here you can review the payment ID, the payment method used, and the risk level assigned to the payment. You can also look at the description and the statement descriptor, along with the fund's available date and the listed timestamps. These details help identify the transaction and show how Stripe recorded it internally. Continue down to the customer information connected to the payment. Stripe may show the customer ID along with the customer name, email, and country if those details are associated with the record. This section is useful when you need to confirm which customer profile the payment belongs to in your test data. Then scroll further to view the risk analysis area. In this section, Stripe presents the payment's risk analysis and fraud assessment. Review what appears here for the selected payment so you can see how Stripe evaluated that transaction during processing. Finally, check the related objects linked to the payment. Depending on the record, this area may include connected charges, invoices, refunds, or other linked payment records. Reviewing these related objects helps you follow how this payment connects to the rest of the transaction history inside your Stripe account. You have now viewed the test mode payment details, customer information, risk analysis, and related records for a payment in Stripe.